don't know, this is your girl Rakisha representing for Bad Bigs Entertainment Records. You have to tell you, say, I have a bad rhythm out called At Ice Rhythm. I have a song on it like Where Are You, Jaja from Lady Soul. Girl, come on, bad, my bad so from Simple. And one next song left on it called Dress Code from Chapo. Yes, everybody wants to go check it out on Apple Music and Spotify. At Rhythm out, At Ice Rhythm. Yeah, you don't know. One Bad Bigs Entertainment Records.
Yeah man, you don't know it's a girl Chavez, aka the Island Girl, representing for Bad Bigs Entertainment. Yeah man, wanna big up on the song anytime. Yeah, Chavez says so.
What's your name first, you know?
Girl Reese still, man. I represent for Bad Bigs
Alright.
Entertainment. Fully rev going on, no breaks.
So,
move!
song here, number one.
Preach there! Where's the band in the final ready, man? Guys, we feel like I used to start it, no, general. We want to start it on a positive note. You understand what I'm even? I know you can sing and make the people them gather, all the vibes and all the joy and make it feel like there's a stage show going on. Because we don't want the people them feel like say boy, it's a little prom push thing, not is a real youth. Try the youth as me telling them. Always I try to get the youth them together and do a thing to make the thing work. See what I say? So, in any way we can support him, we just show him we support and know say, yo, I love alone shall live. You understand what I'm dealing? Yeah. So, find the rhythm them, my brother. I make the singer forward and bless the place. And bless the people them and bless the empress them were there. The real general them were all of vibes and drink something, smoke some spliff. You understand?
Yeah, give me some volume on it there.
Yeah.
Put it up, make it sound proper.
Yeah.
I pass through and we are telling us, say, oh, we couldn't make it now, but we're going to reach. So, right now, nothing. Beru, you don't know, say, you do the first thing, you know. Yeah. Yeah, man. We're there, you know, see. We're in that trap, let me go see something. We came here to dance for the bars. Whoa, whoa, got to leave my reggae. It's so long and kept me blessed. Ended up to realize that we wanna go home. Guys, we've got to go home. Why? We must remember where we are coming from. Yes, we know not where we are going. Never having freedom. Never having freedom. Well, and so we can't forget the times. We can't forget the times. Can't forget the times of our past. Oh no. As if we can't forget the times. We can't forget the times. Can't forget the times of our past. Oh no. I know we living in the present time now. Got to link the past with the present. And all got to know we're reading in this Armageddon. Cause I said blood, sweat and tears that we face. But ever have we gave up in the struggle, fighting for our freedom. Well, whoa, whoa, I said we got to leave our rain. I said we got to leave our rain. Yeah, now, yeah. Oh, no, oh, yeah. And say we can't forget the times. I say we can't forget the times. Can't forget the times of our past. Yeah man, give thanks to the nurse yourself, you know, go on the next track with in somebody. Not to do with yourself, you know, give thanks to the ones and ones, Raspberry, big up yourself, you know. But that thing mark Rem Skunk. Cause the ganja man living at the house, you know, see? Yeah man, all the ganja kingdom, you see? Tell Sean, don't want yourself, yo. Talk about big up a tranquility. You see me, I say? But there, just run with him there and thing. Can't find us run with it there, you know, see? Eh? Yeah man, go on there. Come on, next track. They're one of the greatest things to have life. I can put it on to my man, rich, you know. Rich and glory. Now lie down. And I'll pack it too. Done. This time we're living. It's tougher than the streets to walk a night. So I got to fight to stay alive. Jah know, the greatest feeling is looking at my kids and see them smile. Looking at my life like the style. Cause I rest up alright. Cause I don't worry from I got life. No matter how it's rough, it's not a burden. The pain and struggle, I just am my guide. Appreciate the things like the birds then. Oh no, that's a brand new track, listen to you. Let's make it run, you know. You want to agree to sing to have life, you know. They can put it down to my man, rich, you know. Rich in church in salvation. And rich now with pocket too. What you talk about? This time we're living. It's tougher than the streets to walk a night. So I got to fight to stay alive. Jah know, the greatest feeling is looking at my kids and see them smile. Looking at my life and like the style. Cause I rest up alright. Cause I don't worry from I got life. No matter how it's rough, it's not a burden. The pain and struggle, I just am my guide. Appreciate the things like the birds then. This life is not a huckle nor a tussle. Got to fight that battle and shell down Babylon shackle. And I notice to over bit of faith. No food is on my plate, still appreciate. It's the greatest feeling just to be alive. I'm my guide. And these times we're living in some serious times. We're living in a serious time. Some serious times, yeah. Just know make we suffer. The times get tougher. Every day we make a buckle. Anywhere we have to go for. My people in the ghetto and the gully and the gutter rising. So rise to the price, yeah, my brother. And make yourself clever and sustaining any kind of weather. Got to wake it up some way, somehow. Keep smiling. Cause it's the greatest feeling just to be alive. And these times we're living in some serious times. The highest mountain, never too high for me to climb. Any kind of dark I got to shine. Conscious in my works and in my mind. Flow like a fountain. Say I'm like the sun, I've got to rise. Never watch it pagans or the nice. See last the eye, it's the great extra. Let's get over this, touch and touch. Yeah man, give thanks to the love, you know. While the ganja is strong, that's where we get our herbs from. Ram skunk, it a go bounce in the metal. Ram skunk, what we say? Ram skunk. We got a new kind of herbs. Something go bounce in the stage show tonight. And it's a new kind of herbs. And when you burn it, you go feel alright. Ram skunk, it a go bounce in the vein. Ram skunk, Babylon trap it. Ram skunk, Lord well. And these herbs no dey your street, so them can't get you cheap. So from my man a work with police and thief. So from my man a plant, so the thief them a reap. Come on down the mountains and the valleys deep. We got a seed. Come get you. How are you talk about? Herbs are strong, that's now. Where I get that greater from us now? Ram skunk, it a go burst in a metal. Ram skunk, Ram skunk. And when you go it, you go feel alright. And it's a new kind of herbs. And when you go it, you go feel alright. Ram skunk, it a go burst in a metal. Ram skunk, say Babylon trapped it. Ram skunk, Lord well. And these herbs no dey your street, so them can't get it cheap. If a man a work with police and thief, so if a man a plant, so the thief them a reap. Come on down the mountains and the valleys deep. We got a seed, come get your breed. And we give some of the farmers them a vegan hill. Carry the seed, come get your breed. And we give some of the farmers them a orange hill. Cause it's a new kind of roots. Rastafari sing it with a bird. And the farmer man go water it, and him go nurture it. And tonight I'm gonna give you a draw of it. We got a new kind of herbs. A big goes in on the stage show tonight, guys. And it's a new kind of herbs. And when you want it, you go feel alright, guys. Ram skunk, it a go bust in on the bed. Ram skunk, Babylon trap it. Ram skunk, Lord, well. And we don't give it to the superstar. Then we don't give it to me, engine where we pour. And so we burn it in our car. Watch how we light up with Whistler. Then we go ice up with steamer. Then we go burn it in a chalwa. And these are herbs that we me charge for. Say ram skunk, it and go bust in a them head. Ram skunk, say that the ram chop it. Ram skunk, Lord, well. You got the new kind of herbs. So we go bust in a the station tonight. And these are new kind of herbs. And when you don't meet, you go feel alright. Yeah, yeah, man. What's by fiesta? How about you to sing, but they don't know some things set away.
Give thanks and praise, Prince there for the blessed love, man. You understand me and David? Oh, and the item that support the things here, when you know the thing go. I like the energy, I like the vibe. You understand me and David? So, you know the thing go.